it's Ian, and today we have a super secret deal on this 200 screwdriving bit set. Now, why is it so secret? Well, that's because the manufacturer and brand that's been in business over 100 years has never sold this at such a low price. Now let's just jump right in and show you what makes this so awesome. Now this set is going to allow you to tackle just about any DIY project or home improvement project you can imagine, because this comes with 200 individual pieces. Now this is going to work with just about any power or impact drill you have, and even those modular screwdriver sets. And we have a really awesome version by the same brand available on the site. Now, as someone who really loves working with their hands, this is great because I can save money fixing those home projects all by myself. Now this features a patented bit bar design that allows you to switch the driving bits quickly and easily. Now this set is modular, meaning it's stackable. So if you have a similar set like the 40-piece version that we sell, this will be able to stack super easily. That makes this such a great space saver. But what's really awesome about this set is everything that's inside is removable, so you can customize this to best suit your working needs. But my favorite part about this is it comes with 6 little to-go boxes, which makes it super easy to bring your most used bits with you, throw it in your toolbox, or even your pocket for easy access. Now, like I said, this comes with 200 pieces, some bits that are super common that you'll always need on hand, and some not so common, so you'll be ready for any task. Now, like I said, we have an incredible deal on this. You're not gonna find this set any cheaper out there. So don't wait, head on over to the site and get your 200 screwdriving bit set today.